Today we're going to get that rear axle switched out. If you remember right, it was bent, and the rim was bent, and there was actually a brake fluid leak back there somewhere. So we're gonna look into all that and get that fixed up, and we'll see you at the end.
Flip it around and just set it in there. Yeah. Just kind of set it on the floor. You need some muscle. There, now it ain't gonna fall out.
Okay, I think we're done with the donor car, right?
Yep.
Sounds good. Goodbye. You didn't want to sort through the trunk, did you?
Nope. I think it's going.
We got the old one out. Big empty hole. We got the replacement ready to go in. Unfortunately, we had a couple brake line casualties, so we are getting ready to go to the parts store now and get some new brake lines. We are using the brakes from this car, and we are using the rear axle from the blue car because the brakes on the silver car were 2 inches bigger than the other ones. But we are saving the wheel bearings just in case, and they also fit my trailer. So We're going to the store to get some brake lines. We'll be back. Here, my buddy Wayne, he had to go. It was time for dinner. Well, here's what's happened. We have the axle in. That was not a problem. The problem is the brake. As you can see, we got quite a few new brake lines. But now, the new brake hose back there. Now the lines that feed those brake hoses, those are both rusted and broken. So, oh yeah, there's where the muffler used to be. But it's all in, it's good and straight. I might have mentioned earlier, we swapped the brakes over to this axle that were on this car. We had a bad wheel bearing on the accident side, so we used one of the ABS wheel bearings, which is no problem. This car doesn't have ABS anyway, no big deal. We put new brake shoes in there because they were wore out. Other than that, the brakes look like they will be brand new in the back when we're all done. A little more involved than I expected it to be, but it is what it is. It'll be good to go. So I'm gonna try to get a little work done, bring you guys along with me, and we'll talk later. Okay, so here's the lines. You can see how crusty those are. Look at that. Before I get under there, start bending this line up. You can cut off the end. Best thing to use is a tubing cutter like this. This is too big for this job. I have a smaller one, just can't find it. The reason I gotta cut it off is I know some of you aren't gonna like this, but I'm gonna use a compression union on it. I'm gonna go up the frame far enough to get to the good line that's still on there. Cut this off, put a compression union on, and they wouldn't make these if they weren't okay to use. I'm driving this piece of crap, so it's gonna be fine. That's it. And this part is to do this, deburr inside of the line. So you've never seen or used a compression union before. What it's got, there's a little ferrule in here. So I'm not going to tighten it down now because it's a one-use thing. Slide this on, slide in here. Take this and then you tighten that down. And what that does is it crimps the ferrule onto the line, and then the nut tightens it all up right there. It's next to as good as flaring it. I'm using this because I don't have a flaring tool yet. I should have used this as a good excuse to buy one, but I didn't do it yet. So that is how we're going to repair this line and the other line. This is probably too long. It's probably more than I need. But I'm going to get down there and start bending it up. This stuff bends pretty good. You just can't kink it real hard. You just got to be really careful with it. So let's get under there. You know what they say, safety third. Let's go. Alrighty. This guy, gotta start out here. Up around. Well, you can see the old one right there. So, gotta come up here, loop around, and go down. Find something round to bend it around. I don't know, that might be too tight of a bend. Let's see. Well, that's looking pretty good. Gotta do a 180. Dang, that looks pretty good. Except, did you guys happen to notice? I may have just ruined this piece of line. As nice as that bend looks, with the dang knot on upside down. Oh man. Look better? Let's try it again. I'm not sure how this is gonna go. Man, I don't know what this stuff is made of, but it is a freaking miracle. Okay, that look better to everybody? Yeah, see, right there. So, this has got to go. Like so. I'm gonna find both of that. That goes like so. It goes underneath. Down there is where we'll make the union that I was showing you guys earlier. So. A little easier to hold on to now that I got that bend in the end. The inside. Okay, that look. Just think about it. I know it's a very small line, but that compared to that holes. I don't know if you can see that, but that's just deburring. It gives you that much more flow. These are metric brake lines, so I need a 9 and a 10, I'm sorry, a 10 and an 11. Slide that on there. Put that up on there like that. Bring that in. Tighten it down. You hold it in the middle with one wrench. And then you tighten this part down. It's tricky. You've got brass soft steel lines, so you want to make it snug, but not too snug. Okay, that's what that looks like. That's my repair line. So I'll go see how it fits. It's gonna go on like so. For whatever reason, that's not lining up. Okay, so we just need another little kink in this, about like so. Okay, kinked it the wrong way. No problem. This stuff is really easy to work with.
one thing I hate on my hands is brake fluid. I don't know if you can see anything. I can't see anything. I'm doing all this by feel. Alright, that's in there. Okay, let's go. Okay. This needs to flip around. Come here like. Need a little more slack here, a little more wiggle room. There we go. Alright, I gotta go get my 10 and 11 and get all these tightened up. 12 after that, that's a 12. Okay. Okay, plenty of clearance. Now we can tighten that down. 12 millimeter. Yes, I know line wrenches, but I don't have metric line wrenches. Okay, I think that's home. Wipe this down a little bit. Won't really know if this fix is fixed until I get the other line on there and we go to bleeding out the brakes.
Hey guys, hope you enjoyed part 4 of the Gambler car, where we got the rear axle replaced, got the brakes all fixed up. It's good and straight. I did not shoot too much of it toward the end there. That's a problem I have. I get so focused on just getting the task done that I forget to shoot any of it. So I'll get better at it. But I do have some pictures that I'll put up after this to see, so you can see how it's going. Don't look back there. There's nothing you want to see. Maybe later. Maybe you'll see that later. So again, thanks a lot. If you like this, if you're enjoying these, give me a thumbs up. If you haven't done it yet, maybe consider subscribing. If you want YouTube to let you know when my new videos are up, just hit the bell. That's the notification, and they'll let you know when I got it all up. Let me know if you guys are enjoying this stuff, if I'm giving too much information, going into detail too much, if I'm not giving enough information, if the time lapse is too long, is it boring? Let me know. Leave me a comment down there. Let me know how I'm doing. I'm brand new to this. I'm learning and I'm having a good time with it. So we'll see you guys in the next episode. And there's a lot happening in the next one. And then after that, the fun stuff starts. So we'll see you guys then. Thanks.